Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is, JJ. You know we back at it like that. So let's get this thumbnail. Alrighty, so we picking up, not picking up. Actually, that's the back part to my phone. We're looking at this 2015 Outlander. So it has like one little, like some little blemishes, like right there, right there. Right there, just, you know, but I'm gonna see if I can get like a little bra or something, whatever, like little bug chips, because trying to repaint this pearl, it'd be way more expensive when you could just get a little bra that goes over there just to cover that, because that's the only blemish, but it's came from Jen Mercer Toyota. I think that's in Texas, I believe. It has, you see, 89,000 miles. 4-cylinder engine, auto, you know, seller ride, whatever, blah, 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 blah. As is, no warranty. Y'all already know the drillage. 89,000 on the meters. We got the key, but the key needs a battery. That's crazy. 2015 with this basic key. Mitsubishi step your game up. Starts right up. Does need some fuel. No service lights. Only thing that I've noticed is like this. Like I don't know if it's this making the noise, but I think it's like the wheel. So I'm gonna take it to the alignment shop. I am gonna have to get a new windshield. It is a crack. I don't necessarily have to get a new windshield, but it's like making like it's not like so I feel like. Yeah, I gotta find my screws. I gotta find the screws. I don't know if those gonna fit, because those had like some flathead screws. They might fit. So, but yeah. So we're in this 2015. It does need some fuelage. We already drove it and everything. But yeah, see that little. But we're gonna take it down to. Probably not to the church. We're gonna take it down to this other little parking lot and give y'all a full little walk around. See, yeah, I gotta get that fixed. I feel like it's more like something needs to be greased and stuff like that. Like it has to be like greased. So I don't know if it's like needs to be greased and everything. But yeah, I've been driving it. I drove it and everything. It doesn't have any issues that I can think of, you know. I mean, it's 89,000 miles, it better not have no issues. I picked it up, as y'all can see, by the title, this person at the church. Can I use it? I use it at the church, so I can't even go to my old trusty church, so I have to go somewhere else. Yeah, I don't want, you know, it is Wednesday, so that's the reason why somebody's at the church. We're gonna go to my other little picture parking lot where I take my pictures. I found like 4 spots now. I got like 4 spots now. Sorry about the dinging. We'll put them. But I got like 4 spots where I take my pictures at. I would put the seatbelt on, but I'm literally like right here. You know. So I got 4 spots though. We working. Grab some little pictures, not really pictures, but just a walk around. I mean, show y'all everything, show y'all the things that I plan on getting accomplished. They gotta definitely get a battery for the key. But, you know, heat and AC, everything work. It's still under factory warranty too, because Mitsubishi has a 10,000. They got a 10,000. See, like I don't know. It sounds like maybe like some bushings or something. Need to be greased or something. Suspension needs to be greased. But yeah, it's a 2015 Outlander, 89,000 miles. Picked it up. Could probably use 2 front tires, because the back tires are really good, but the front is Michelin. The front is Michelin and these is so maybe that might be the problem. Maybe, you know, the tires. That's an 18. What is on the back? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, 18. So it's not that it's too big. Maybe it just Maybe it just needs to be aligned and greased. But yeah, I'm gonna get a little bra for the front. Just a walk around though. Has a little damage right there, but I don't know. It's like a little trailer hitch, like for a little trailer hitch or a hitch. I forgot you had to personally unlock it. Okay, hopefully. So get some carpet mats. Ain't no too bad. Put a fresh detail up on it. We're gonna put a fresh detailage, you know. So I'm gonna take it to the alignment shop and get them just to check it out, because they chased it out for like 25 bucks. So at least just get a good little check out, detail it all the way up, get that windshield replaced. Call Mitsubishi up. I'm gonna call Mitsubishi up and see if they have any like recalls or anything. If they have any recalls, you know, take it in there, get all those recalls and stuff fixed. You know, that's one thing, especially like on these newer vehicles and buying newer vehicles. When you get a newer vehicle, you can always just call a dealership, give me your VIN number, you know. We make sure everything was recorded right. So we were just making sure everything was recorded right. But yeah, so that's just that little. You know, it's just only when you turn it to the right. It's not like it's little when it's left, so I feel like it just needs to be greased. Whatever just needs to be greased. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna call Mitsubishi, see if there's any recalls. Like that's what I like. If you get any cars, like for me, for like anything like 10 years or older, like anything, like if it's within the 10 years, especially like stuff that's still under like warranty and stuff like that, or just anything within 10 years, just see if it has any open recalls and take it there and go get the recalls handled. Because a lot of times people don't pay attention to those recall notices, so they don't always pay attention to them. So, but I'm gonna make sure I pay attention, make sure it's anything and it's not any other things going on with it, and make sure, especially because recalls is free. That's what I don't understand. Recalls is free. They take care of them for free. Let me turn this fan speed down. They take care of the recalls for free, so it's like, why not just go get it handled? Like, you drop the car off. Sometimes they give you a rental car if they got it in your rental car, depending on how long it's gonna take you. But usually, like a lot of recalls, like it takes like a couple hours, depending on if you set the appointment. If you set the appointment and everything. Looking over there, I need to pay attention to the road. But yeah, if you just yeah, but if like the recalls is free. But like I said, the car runs and drives good. It's better for 89,000 miles. But the plan for this vehicle is I'm gonna get all this stuff handled. Hopefully, try to get it all taken care of within the week. Like this is the goal. Like get everything through the week. I don't know how long the recall is gonna take. Maybe they can give me an appointment in. How backed up or busy a Mitsubishi service department is, because who knows, they might be throwing out a lot of recalls. You never know. They might be throwing out a lot of recalls. So let me go pull up. Yeah, gotta get that. Because it ain't like nothing to do with the power steering, but it's just it's not like that it gets tight or anything. It's just sound like it's just that, like, but it's still not the cool thing about it. Like, it still got what, 11,000, a little bit over 11,000 miles worth of powertrain warranty. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. But yeah, I'm gonna use this car. The plan is to have it ready within a week, no later than a week and a half. Get it ready, and I'm gonna post it up there on Toro, and then I'm gonna see how it goes. I might dedicate just like Tuesdays to Toro or something. Tuesdays, Thursdays, we call it Toro Tuesdays or something, or Toro Thursdays. But yeah, I'm gonna give Toro a try, see what it does. Cause I'm gonna just basically get it all taken. What I'm gonna do, clean it up, windshield, have everything ready to go, and then, you know, cleaned up, everything ready to go. And I'm gonna just leave it on Toro, but I'm gonna have it also posted for sale. So when somebody wants to give me the right amount of money for it, they can. And if not, I'll finance it. So if I can get the right deal on finance or the right cash deal, then I'm gonna sell it to them. Either way. But then I got a little, I don't know if I showed y'all that or not. Go back to my video and see if I showed it to y'all or not. If not, then I'll make a video on that as well. So I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, you know, let me know in the comment section below. Is Toro a good deal? Did I get a good deal on this vehicle? What you'll sell it for? What you'll do to the vehicle? All that I would like to hear that all in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.